In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix unable to execute file create process failed code to quicksfv in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From your desktop, click on search and type Windows Defender Firewall and open it. Once you are here, then from left click on allow an app or feature. Through Windows Defender Firewall. From here, click on change settings, then click on allow another app. After this, click on browse. Now go to the game directory and you are facing the problem with. Like I am facing this problem with RDR2. You just need to double click on the game folder here and you will find a folder with the name MD5. Just double click on it and here you will find quicksfv application. Just click on it, then click on open. Now click on add. After this, from here find quicksfv, then check the box both for private and public, then click on OK. After this, close it and from your file explorer again go to the game directory, then double click on game folder. Now you have to select setup application, then right click it, then click on run administrator and your problem would be fixed. So that's how you can fix unable to execute file create process failed code to quicksfv in just few easy steps.